Hello, my dear students. Arshdeep Kaur here. This is your physics class for standard 10th. Students, in this class, I am going to show you how to solve the numerical problems of chapter number 1 that are related to the moment of force. Okay. Now, these numerical problems are based on the law of moments. Okay. Or you can say that principle of moments. Now, principle of moment is that anti-clockwise moment is equal to clockwise moment. Okay, and in short form we can write it as anti-A, clockwise C, wise mean W, and moment mean M. Same as clockwise moment mean clock mean, here I am write C, wise I am write here W, and for moment I write here M. Show, okay, this equation show the laws of the moment, that is principle of the moment. Now we already know that the anti-clockwise moment is equal to force into the perpendicular distance. Okay, same as clockwise moment also force into perpendicular distance. So this formula we are going to use in these numericals. Okay, so we are going from practice problem 6. Okay, practice problem 6, first part. So let's start. So the first sum, practice problem 6, first sum is that a uniform meter scale is balanced at 60 centimeter mark. Okay, then first of all I am just going to draw a meter rod. Let's draw this. This one is a meter rod. Now we know that in a meter this scale is start from 0 and ends at 100. Okay, and central point is here, that is at 50 centimeter. Okay, now according to the question, what is there? A uniform meter scale is balanced at 60 centimeter mark. 60 centimeter mark, it means the fulcrum or the balancing point is at 60 centimeter. So if here is 50, then near about here approximately 60 is there. So let's take here fulcrum, that is at 60 centimeter mark. ओके बेटा जी. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, व्हेन वेट ऑफ, ये 60 सेंटीमीटर मार्क के कब बैलेंस हो रहा है? व्हेन द वेट ऑफ 5 ग्राम एंड 40 ग्राम्स आर ग्राम फोर्स आर सस्पेंडेड एट 10 सेंटीमीटर मार्क एंड 80 सेंटीमीटर मार्क. इट मीन कि जो 5 ग्राम फोर्स है, ओके, इट सस्पेंड एट 10 सेंटीमीटर एंड 40 ग्राम फोर्स इज सस्पेंड एट 80 सेंटीमीटर मार्क. So I am just going to draw the two mark. First is 10 centimeter, second one is 80 centimeter. Okay, at 10 centimeter mark and 80 centimeter mark, two forces are there. At 10 centimeter mark 5 gram force, and at 80 centimeter mark 40 gram force is there. Now this 5 gram force produces a moment that is in the anti-clockwise direction. Okay, and this 40 gram force produces a moment in clockwise direction. Okay, so कैलकुलेट द वेट ऑफ द मीटर स्केल. तो बेटा हमने फाइंड क्या करना है? वेट ऑफ द मीटर स्केल आपने फाइंड करना है. ओके बेटा, नाउ वेट ऑफ द मीटर स्केल इज लाइज एट 50 सेंटीमीटर मार्क. हेयर इज द W, that W is the weight of the meter scale. Okay, so how to find this? This W also produces a moment in the anti-clockwise moment. Now first of all movement in clockwise direction, that is clockwise movement. Now clockwise movement is only because of 40 gram force. Okay, so force is 40 gram force into, now how much the distance is, now fulcrum is at 60, okay, and weight is at 80, so the perpendicular distance is 80 minus 60 centimeter, okay, so it become 40 into 80 minus 60, 20 gram force centimeter, then it become 800 gram force centimeter. Okay beta, so this one is the first step. Now the second step, movement in anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so anti-clockwise movement is equal to, now we have two anti-clockwise movement. The first movement is because of 5 gram force. Now for 5 gram force, the perpendicular distance is 60 minus 10, this one, from fulcrum to 10 centimeter. So 5 gram force multiply by 60 minus 10 plus one more anti-clockwise movement is there, which is due to the weight of the uniform meter rod. So weight is W, gram force into distance is, that weight is lie as at 50, okay, weight बेटा 50 पे लाई करेगा मीटर स्केल का, फलक्रम जहाँ पे मर्जी हो, तो वेट अगर सेंटर में 50 पे है तो डिस्टेंस क्या आएगी 50, ठीक है, 60 पे फलक्रम है तो क्या आएगी डिस्टेंस 60 माइनस 50, तो बेटा यहाँ पे क्या आएगा 60 माइनस 50, इसको हम सॉल्व कर लेते हैं। हमारे पास क्या आ रहा है देखो, 5 इंटू 60 माइनस 10 50 ग्राम फोर्स सेंटीमीटर प्लस W इंटू 60 माइनस 50 10 ग्राम फोर्स सेंटीमीटर, दिस इज 250 ग्राम फोर्स सेंटीमीटर प्लस 10 W gram force centimeter. Now let it be one equation, this one equation number 2. Now from equation number 1, okay, by the law of moments, what we have, by the law of moments we have, by law of moments we have, what we have, anti-clockwise movement is equal to clockwise movement. So using equation number 1 and 2 we get 250 plus 10W is equal to, clockwise is 800, okay, so 10W is equal to 800 minus 250, okay, so 800 minus 250 is, 800 minus 250 is 550, so this W become 550 divided by 10, okay, then it will be W is equal to 55 gram. Now the weight, unit of weight is gram force, so the weight of the meter rod is 55 gram force. Okay students, so how to find this, just take a look again, one look again. Now we have a meter rod in which it balanced at 60 centimeter, okay, and it balanced at 60, so we draw this fulcrum at 60 centimeter. Two weights are there, 5 gram force and 40 gram force, which is at 10 centimeter and 80 centimeter, okay, and weight of the meter scale lies at 50 centimeter mark, okay बेटा। सो हमने क्या निकालना है, मोमेंट क्लॉकवाइज निकालनी है, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, then only one thing keep in mind that you have to take the distance from the suspension point, it mean कि कहाँ से आपने वेट को सस्पेंड किया है, from the fulcrum, ओके, 60 माइनस 10 लेना है। तो कई बच्चे क्या करते हैं न्यूमेरिकल्स में गलती क्या करते हैं, वो जो परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस है वो जीरो से स्टार्ट कर देते हैं, 0 माइनस 10, जैसे 10 माइनस 0 वो 10 ले लेते हैं, तो आपका पूरा आंसर क्या हो जाएगा, रॉन्ग हो जाएगा। इट मीन कि जो भी आपने परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस लेनी है बेटा वो फलक्रम से सस्पेंशन पॉइंट तक की लेनी है। यहाँ से फलक्रम से सस्पेंशन पॉइंट तक की जो आपने जो परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस है बेटा वो काउंट करनी है। ओके, तो एंटी क्लॉकवाइज मूवमेंट निकाली, क्लॉकवाइज निकाली और दोनों को क्या कर दिया हमने, इक्वल कर दिया और आपके पास क्या आ गया, वेट ऑफ द मीटर स्केल आ गया है। ठीक है, होप सो ये न्यूमेरिकल आपको समझ आ गया होगा। ठीक है, सो thank you to watch the video. Okay, for more videos subscribe my channel. Okay, and comment like the video. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Thank you.